After I learned this genius idea, I never threw sandwich crusts in the trash again. To start, I'm going to use 12 slices of sandwich bread. We're going to cut the crust off each slice and roll it inward like this. I'll place a toothpick to hold it. And we'll repeat the same process with the remaining ones. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching me from so I can send you a special shout-out. Today's shout-out goes to Roger Collins from Dayton, Ohio. I'm really happy you're enjoying our recipes. In a frying pan, I'm going to brush butter and spread it well across the bottom. Next, we're going to place 6 of the sandwich bread crusts to fry. After a few minutes, we'll flip each one to make sure they brown evenly. At this point, we'll remove all the crusts from the pan, place them on a plate, and set them aside. In another pan, I'll add half a cup of sugar. We'll stir to melt it. Now I'm going to add half a cup of water little by little. I'll stir continuously over low heat until it becomes a smooth caramel. Look how amazing it's turning out. Then I'll add 1 tablespoon of butter. And we'll stir a little more until everything combines. Next, using a utensil, I'm going to dip the sandwich bread crusts in the caramel like this and place them on a plate. I'm sure this recipe will become a classic in your home. It's impossible to make it just once. After they cool a little, we'll drizzle condensed milk on top to taste. Every time I make this recipe, I notice how much the final result depends on this part, because this is where we get the texture right, define the finish, and it turns out delicious. Then, in a baking dish, I'll place the remaining sandwich bread crusts. Next, we're going to brush a bit of melted butter on top of 3 of them. Trust me, the result is amazing. Now I'll brush olive oil on the other 3 like this. I love recipes like this. Simple, but with a different touch. Next, in a mixture of sugar and cinnamon powder, I'll coat the crust covered with melted butter until both sides are coated. This step looks basic, but it guarantees the perfect result. Now I'm going to coat the remaining ones in a mixture of oregano and dried parsley, covering both sides as well. I'll bake them at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. After that, I'll remove them from the oven and place everything on a plate. Look how amazing they turned out. Make them at home and then tell me what you think. I'd love to know.